Salve, მეგობრებო, მე ვარ გიორგი ბურჯაძე და დღეს ვითავაშებთ FC Mobile-ს. ჩემპიონ ლიგის მეორე ლიგას. მეორე ლეგს. ჯობია დაალაიქო და დაასუბსკრაიბო. ახლა ნავხოთ და დავიწყოთ ეს თორნამენტი. აი აბა. ჩემპიონ ლიგის თორნამენტია. აი, ოგო. სოია. Real Madrid o Atlético Madrid da Chologet también hasta la misma da Lex Cubeba Hugo y más para Munich. Ay, con la personia. Personi ki ara me go Bayern Munich da Bundes. Ravi. David's got round of 16 და David qomamamamamamamot. Ay, khla. Nottingham. Ay, gavas yobiara. Tawashi.
I'm Derek Ray, and joining me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And we're ready for the Champions League round of 16 second leg. It is Liverpool against Paris Saint-Germain.
Well, Derek, PSG deserve their win in the first leg, but this is going to be a really tight battle today.
That's right.
Oh!
Macari. Hey! Let me tell you more than
Well, as you can see, this is absolutely brilliant. He's such a good runner with the ball, and it's a goal. Brilliant from him.
Very quick. Kaya ba David Scott?
Ramos.
Opa, Ramos.
Mench.
Kaya mo tuweba. Ramos.
Gonzalo Ramos.
Weteli.
Good use of the ball.
Takbal!
Not testing the keeper at all with that effort.
Ay, listen, my hijo. Luis Diaz. Kaya ba?
Going well.
Acho.
Can he put it in?
Wait.
Can't miss.
Pegata
The
WP.
ball's in the net. A hugely important moment in the story of this tie.
Well, here it is again. It's an easy finish in the end, but what was the keeper thinking? That's a poor bit of defending.
So 2-0 now.
Oba.
Now PSG moving the ball forward.
But
nothing comes of it. And he has options available. They took care of the situation defensively. Alexis McAllister. Deciding to give it to the keeper. Gonzalo Ramos. Dembele on the ball. And a classic example of how to intercept. Zaire Emery. Ramos. Patience and persistence on the passing front in the name of finding an equaliser. And with that, the attack fizzles out. And there it is, the half-time. So the two teams have switched around, and the second half is underway. Gonzalo Ramos. Patient build-up. Just couldn't play that decisive ball.
Ramos,
Szoboszlai. Alexis McAllister. Well, good ball control. That's a foul, and it will be a potentially dangerous free kick. Well read to ease the pressure.
Ball
back with Liverpool now. Alexis McAllister. Ryan Gravenberch.
Wah.
And Liverpool might be able to cash in. But timely defending when it mattered.
კაი, აბა დავიწყოთ. Dembele. ბიჭო, Dembele, ასავეთ.
And Liverpool come away with it. Gonzalo Ramos. Plenty of support here.
Opa. 80 წუთი.
Luis Diaz.
დაერთი გოლი შეგუუტანიათ ამ ფილმს.
Well, they have the ball once more.
And
with Donnarumma, Zaire Emery.
აუჩები, კაი რა. ვიდი ამ ეს უსტავატებს.
Gonzalo Ramos.
The
referee has decided there will be just 1 minute of added time. And the referee ends this contest. Liverpool are the side to progress.
Well, I thought they fully deserved their win because over the two legs, they were more fluent with their passing, had a more structured game plan, and created the better opportunities.
Wow,